if you would like to learn Leathercraft and get started, and we do some online classes which we've trialled and they've been working really well. They work much in the same way as our physical class, so you join on a certain date, we send you out a pack of materials with everything that you need, and we also discuss with you a tool list. If there's any tools that you're missing, we'll give you some advice as to what you might need, and we'll also give you a discount so that you can have everything you need to join the class. The real benefit of them is you can do it from the comfort of your own home. Because they work just like a normal class, you get to ask questions and interact, and we're also able to give you some handouts and templates and some follow-up as well. So if this is a craft that you'd like to learn more about, if you'd like to perfect your skills, we do two skills ones, skills 1 and skills 2. They can be done separately, or you can book them together or do them at different times. They run independently of each other. And at the moment we also have a book journal class, and we're looking at some other options as well. So do check out the website and see what comes up. So we try to work just for mornings only, so it's not too intense, and you'd get to do 3 projects over the time. Each of those projects has been designed to teach you different skills within that field, so that you would learn stitching or riveting, you might learn to set a buckle, or you might do something a little bit more, this is from skills 2, a little bit more elaborate with lining a leather and making a glasses case. So if that sounds like something that's of interest, it's very easy to join in. You just need to have a smartphone or iPad or tablet or a camera on your desktop, and we just send you a link. It's all done via Zoom, so it's very safe, and it's a really fun way to learn. So if you're interested in finding out more, do go to our website www.identityleathercraft.com, and on the left menu, if you scroll down where it says more categories, there's one called workshops, and you'll find all the details there. Thank you.